Hi, in this video we'll learn how to check the direction using compass. Okay, so how we can start? We have to visit the site, go to the house or plot or factory or site. Stand in the center of the house, and from center you read the compass reading which is pointing towards the entry and exit gates, main entry and exit gates. Now read the compass. So this gives the actual direction of the site or plot facing. So we should always start and measure this while standing inside the building campus. Now here let's understand how to measure the direction or check the direction using a layout. So I have one layout and this is the compass reading which has a east, west, north, south. So what we'll do, I have one that I can explain you how it works. Now, this is the layout map of a site or location. So what we this, we'll draw the diagonals for this. So how to draw? So this is the way you draw the diagonals and identify the intersection points. So the intersection points here, which appears in the yellow color, is the center of intersection, which is also the Vastu Shastra. Now we should place our compass over this point and read out the direction. Right. So I'm just placing my compass at this point. Now, so we can see the reading of the entry gate, which is here from the center of the intersection point, or you can say the Brahmasthanam. So we have to read out the direction, which is this, the main entry and exit of the house. So this is the here. If if we see, then it is written in. Hold on. It, we see it is there in the degrees are 110, 115 degrees. So according to this, the actual direction of entry and exit gate is 100 to 115 degrees. Southeast, you can say. East of southeast. So this is how we can measure. And the north is always considered the 360 degree or the 0 degree, you can see. And the south is always 180 degrees. East is 90 degrees and west is 270 degrees. So whenever we say the north direction is either 0 or it is 316, because a complete circle from 0 to 360 degree. Now we must and consider few critical requirements before we do the direction finding through the map, through the compass, right? So we should always prefer true north rather than going with the magnetic north, because the magnetic north that deviates, fluctuates, keep on changing. So taking any directions in alignment of magnetic north may vary, and there is a deviation, so the results may vary. So it is better, always recommended, to take the true north direction of the site or location. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I will keep on updating. Will come with latest updates on technical aspects of doing Vastu Shastra analysis. Thank you so much for your time.